All right, so when multiplying here, what we have is we're multiplying two binomials, all right? And I'll go through this again, ladies and gentlemen. If you have x squared, we know that x squared is x times x. If I said 3x, that's 3x times 3x. All right, if I did x plus 3, remember that's x plus 3 times x plus 3. So I have to make sure that when I'm squaring this, you don't have to rewrite it, but you have to understand it's 5 times square root of 2 plus square root of 3 times 5 square root of 2 plus 3. And when we have a binomial times a binomial, you have to either apply FOIL or the box method. I'm sorry? It's the same thing. Right, you're just multiplying this by itself.
Yeah, I know, but why isn't there square root of 3 on the second?
Oh, they're supposed to be. Because I didn't write it in there. But yes, it's supposed to be the exact same thing, right? Yes. I know. And that's what I just didn't understand what you're asking. But now I get it. Yes. So you have 5 times square root of 3 plus square root of 3 times 5 plus square root of 2 plus the square root of 3, right? So now you can either apply FOIL, box method, whatever you guys would like to do. Let's go ahead and do FOIL for this one, just to remind, because I've done a lot of problems with box method. So if you do FOIL, remember that's your first two terms. You're going to multiply them. So FOIL would be 5 square root of 2 times 5 square root of 2. When you're multiplying radicals with numbers being already multiplied, you do 5 times 5, which is 25, times square root of 2 times square root of 2 would be the square root of 4, which is 2, but I'll write it out. So that'd be 25 times the square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2, so that equals 50. Now let's do the outer, right? The outside terms. So the outside terms is going to be 5 square root of 2 times the square root of 3. Again, we can multiply numbers with inside the radical. So we'd have 5 times square root of 2 times square root of 3 would be square root of 6. And then we'll do the inner. So that's going to be, so the inside will be square root of 3 times 5 square root of 2, which is going to be 5 square root of 6. And then we'll do the last terms. So we have square root of 3 times the square root of 3. And square root of 3 times square root of 3 is the square root of 9, which is equal to 3. So when I have that, now I can spell out FOIL for what all their terms are. So we can say it's going to be 50 plus 5 square root of 6 plus 5 square root of 6 plus 3. Now, are there terms I can combine? Well, yeah, obviously I can add the 50 and the 3. And then since these are both square root of 6's, I can combine them as well. So 5 square root of 6 plus 5 square root of 6 is going to be 10 square root of 6 plus 53. So your final answer would be 53 plus 10 square root of 6. Anybody have any questions remaining on that one? That? OK. We have a little extra time before I get into anything.